everybody, welcome to the Head Startup YouTube channel where we give tips and advice for entrepreneurs starting their new businesses. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and like and give a comment of any tips and tricks you might need to get your business going down in the comment section. And so on today's video, we're basically going to show you how to put a video embedded into your product description. So you might be saying to me now, why would you need a video in your product description? It helps customers visualize how the product works. B, it helps them visualize themselves using it, which is a big factor in customer buy-in. And C, it will definitely increase your conversion rates higher than just having images for the product. So it definitely is worth doing if you have video content that really aligns with your product. So let's just get straight to it. So basically I am here on my Shopify product page, so this is the best place to go in and do it. So I'm just going to select one of my products here and run you through the example. So this is like just a random set of golf head covers.
Okay, so here I am on my product description page. So you want to decide where you want to put in the video. So I normally like to put it just below the description and kind of above the delivery details. So I just selected here just at the bottom. And the next step, what you want to do is come up here to insert video, this little icon here, and that will bring up a little box here where you need to paste in the embedded code which from the video that you're going to choose. So I normally take my content from YouTube. I know there's other sources that you can take from Facebook or Alibaba or Vimeo, and they all kind of have the same method. So once you see it for YouTube, I think you'll be able to do it for pretty much any video website. So I'm going to take it to YouTube. So I've already just searched this video that kind of relates to the product that I'm selling here. So to get the embedded code, you just come down to the share here, and this will bring up a few options, and you can see this little embedded button here. I just want to click on this, and this brings up all the code that you need to copy and paste into your Shopify page. So I've copied that now. I'm going to go back to the page and paste this in here to our box. I click insert video, and so this is slowly loading up here now. So I'm going to hit save now on this product page. I'm going to preview it now once it saves. So to preview your description now, I just want to go to more actions up here at the top and view. And so now this video comes up nicely in your product description, and it's another option for your customer basically to get more information about your product. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button. I would really appreciate it. And thanks for listening and watching, and we'll see you again soon.